Imagine a summer thunderstorm. The sky is torn apart by a bright flash. A moment later, a roar rolls across the field, and it seems that the earth trembles. This lightning is a beautiful and at the same time dangerous phenomenon. In one stroke, there can be a current of more than 200,000 amperes, and the temperature in the lightning channel reaches 30,000 degrees, hotter than the surface of the sun. It is not surprising that it can destroy buildings, cause fires, and pose a threat to people. And here lightning protection comes to the rescue. But what is it? Who invented it? How does it work? History of lightning protection. In ancient times, people did not know the nature of lightning. For the Greeks, it was a weapon of Zeus. For the Slavs, a sign of the wrath of Purin. In many cultures, there were rituals to appease the gods of the storm. Everything changed in the 18th century. In 1752, American scientist Benjamin Franklin conducted a famous experiment. He launched a kite with a metal key during a thunderstorm. When the key lit up with sparks, it became clear that lightning is electricity. A year later, he proposed the first lightning rod, a metal spire connected to the ground. The idea was quickly picked up in Europe. The first lightning rods appeared in Lviv at the end of the 18th century. In Kiev, scientists from the Kiev Mohyla Academy also conducted experiments with electricity. Over time, every city began to install protection on churches, towers, and government buildings. How lightning protection works. Lightning seeks the path of least resistance to the ground. If a building is taller than others, it becomes a target. The task of lightning protection is simple: to provide a safe path for the electrical discharge. The system consists of three elements. 1. Receiver, a metal spire, cable or mesh on the roof. 2. Current collector, a metal strip or wire that conducts current downwards. 3. Grounding conductor, a system of metal rods or strips in the ground where the discharge goes. It is important to understand. A lightning rod does not attract lightning. It simply intercepts it when it has already approached and diverts it to a safe path. It is like a river that carries water to the sea so that it does not spill chaotically. Interesting facts: the highest lightning rod in the world is on the Burj Khalifa skyscraper in Dubai, 828 meters high. There is a place in Venezuela called Thunderstorm over Maracaibo. There are up to 280 lightning strikes per hour here, a real-world record. In Kiev, the Lavra has suffered from lightning strikes many times, so its domes are carefully protected. Airplanes also have lightning protection, special metal strips, and antennas so that the discharge does not damage the electronics. A single lightning strike can set a tree on fire or split a stone in half. Modern systems today, there are two types of protection: passive, plastic spires, nets, and cables. They work on the Franklin principle. Active, modern systems with electronic emitters that create a channel and increase the probability of intercepting lightning. In addition to external protection, there is also internal surge protection devices, SPDs. They protect electrical appliances inside the building, because after a lightning strike, a destructive pulse can pass through the cables. Lightning is a beautiful but dangerous element. It has been the subject of myths, has become the impetus for great scientific discoveries, and still makes us think about the power of nature. Lightning protection saves lives, buildings, and equipment. It must be installed correctly and professionally, because safety depends on it. The next time you see a flash in the sky, remember Benjamin Franklin, the first lightning rods and modern systems. And remember, lightning can strike twice in the same place, but competent protection will make this strike safe.